That open letter is for American public from the Ukrainian women. Our whole helplessness before the repressive and serving Ukrainian justice has induced. It is a question of punishment of the present President of Ukraine, Viktor Yanukovych, about the former Prime Minister of Ukrainian, Yulia Tymoshenko. The Lord has presented Ukraine an amazing politician woman. Such women are born in the world not so often, and in our country for the first time. That woman, Yulia Tymoshenko, the ex-Prime Minister of our country, the inspirer of the Orange Revolution. Now in Ukraine there is a trial. Tymoshenko is accused of the excess of official power at signing a gas agreement with Russia in winter 2008. Nonsense and artificiality of accusations is clear not only to us, women of Ukraine, but also all of the world. In fact, they judge that woman because she is not only unequal with men as a politician, but also advanced them on the personal qualities. Tymoshenko, not only the woman politician, she is also successful, clever and beautiful. Yanukovych represented Donbass, the region of Ukraine in which the status of the women in a family and a society traditionally is significantly lower than the status of the man. It is characteristically that Yanukovych publicly declared that seat of a woman on a kitchen. Also, the one circumstance is characteristically too that his wife lives far from the residence and never appears on public, as it forbidden to her to give an interview to the journalist. In our ministry now there is no women. Yanukovych returns in the country a patriarchal society where men will operate the country only. Only men politicians judge Yulia Tymoshenko, doing all their best not to see women in a government. Yanukovych systematically, on obvious insolvent accusations, destroyed the unique actual political opponent. The pocket court of Yanukovych, neglecting absurdity of accusations, violating the rights of Yulia Tymoshenko, breathes through suitable decision for Yanukovych, imprisonment from 10 till 12 years. It is difficult to get rid of sensations that President Yanukovych cannot sustain a competition with cleverer, more fair, more resistant and finally more beautiful political opponent, who is being beside the women. And simply for him to eliminate from a political arena of the actual competitor on following elections, continue a wish to humiliate her, deprive her political career. Unfortunately, the Ukrainian public opinion for the president is too weak to affect the repressive device and to force it to stop reprisals against a prominent woman politician of Ukraine. Therefore, we have to ask for the help of influential people and the organizations of the West. We don't have free public TV. All our TV channels belong to oligarchs of Yanukovych, where the entry for Tymoshenko is closed. The help of the American public for her protection is necessary to us. To us, the help of the American lawyers for monitoring judicial trial and rendering of a legal aid is necessary to Yulia Tymoshenko's lawyers as well. All world should learn that there is such country Ukraine where through imprison the woman, the patriot who, being on a post of Prime Minister of Ukraine, Yulia Tymoshenko, has destroyed the corruption diagrams and has not allowed the officials to steal billions of dollars from the budget of the country. Now they kill her morally, having arranged a mock trial instead of fair court, limit her rights and protection, and do not give a possibility to her lawyers to recognize with the materials and details of her case. On acquaintance, 15 volumes of the case in 4,000 pages and construction of the protection, the judge have provided 2 days to her lawyer. By the kind of pleasing justice, the authority of Ukraine wish to destroy the woman, the politician who only defends interests of the country. In gratitude to her mind and talent, in the hardest to the country time, she has accepted the proper decision and negotiation with Russia under the contract about delivery of gas and has rescued the country from the catastrophe in winter 2009.